In this video, I'm going to show you how to put together this stunning little house pop-up card. It's perfect for Valentine's Day with the sending lots of love sentiment and this adorable little mailbox here at the front door. I think you'll have a lot of fun putting this card together and giving it this Valentine's Day. So let's get started putting it together. It makes a perfect little Valentine card because it's got this adorable little mailbox and envelope and the hearts and sending lots of love is the sentiment on it. It's really easy to put together, but you could certainly decorate this house for any holiday or theme or occasion. But at this time of year, it's almost Valentine's Day, so I went ahead and embellished it for Valentine's. I've gone ahead and layered this little mailbox, and I won't lie, it's actually, the pieces are really small, but my machine was able to cut them out just fine. I cut them on a silhouette. I just went ahead and layered those up. You fold the little envelope over and put the heart on. You might need to pull out your magnifying glass to do that, but once it's layered, it is absolutely adorable. So the other thing I've done is put the curtain panel on the back side of this window and put the window casing on and the door on and a little pop dot with a heart on the front door. So I've gone ahead and layered all those things to that point. And everything else I've just gone ahead and cut out. I did the print and cut here and glued that to its little matte piece. And then these pieces are for the roof, and there's 3 scalloped pieces, and I've gone ahead and glued those together to form those. The main thing you're going to want to notice on your card base is that there's some little notches that I've cut to give you some alignment and placement guidelines for where to put the house. So you'll go ahead and fold your house on all these score marks and start forming a box. And we'll go ahead and glue this glue tab here at the top, and we're going to glue this glue tab here in the back. And go ahead and just fold those 2 tabs there forward right now, and we will be using those to glue the box to the card. So the first thing we'll do is just go ahead and put some adhesive here on this glue tab at the top. And then we'll go ahead and put some adhesive, and you can fold the whole house in half as you do this, and just make sure that that roof is getting a nice seal on that. We'll go ahead and put some adhesive here on this glue tab as well. And you do want to make sure everything folds nice and flat, because that way when you put it in the middle of your card, it will still fold flat. So that is the key to making this work really well. And you'll notice that those roofline pieces do extend beyond the house, so just make sure that those don't get folded or pinched in any way. Okay, so now that we have our little house formed, it's going to glue right here in our card. And I do have covering panels, but we'll add those at the end because we'll want to cover these little tabs that we're gluing down right now. So you can notice there's a little notch here at the back and at the corners, and you can see that they line right up with where this glue tab, the glue tabs on both sides should line up. So I'm going to go ahead and put some adhesive on the bottom of the glue tab here, on both of these glue tabs. And the main goal here is to make sure that your house is nice and square as you're gluing it down. That way when you fold it up, it will collapse properly. So that should form a nice square box. And as you can see, when we go to fold it, it will actually collapse and stay hidden inside of our box, inside of our card. Okay, so when we open that back up, we just need to make sure those glue tabs are glued nice and tight. Okay. So you can see how cute that little house is getting. It just folds right up. So let's go ahead and put our roof on our house. We'll go ahead and put some adhesive here on the actual house panel. Just glue that on. And we'll go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Make sure those get a nice seal on them. In fact, I'm going to just fold my house in half and just push down on that roof and make sure that that glue seals really well. Okay, so once I have that roof on, look how cute it's getting. We're going to add our covering panel here. And you'll notice how this covering panel, it actually slides underneath that back piece and covers up here on the front. So there should be about 1/8 of an inch gap all the way around the edge and should leave space for that tab there. So we'll go ahead and put some adhesive on that and glue it in place. And then we'll just do the same thing here on the other side with the other panel. Okay, so that basically hides those glue tabs and gives you a nice yard or whatever it is that you want to create for your house. And then I'm just going to add the little sentiment here, sending lots of love, and the cute little mailbox. So it's kind of a cute little theme there. But you could always put any other sentiment here and embellish and decorate the house with any colors. Be cute for a lot of different occasions. But I love this little pop-up house. It's very stunning when it stands up when you open up the card. And I think you'll have a lot of fun making these and giving them this Valentine's Day. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.